Hello cat lovers, welcome back to the Cattery Cat Shelter's YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about how to pick out the perfect kitty match for you. We understand that adopting a cat is a big decision, and finding the right feline companion can make all the difference. So let's dive in and discover your perfect match.
Oh, you stole it! You get the wand! You get the wand! That means you're king! Yes! I too like gold shiny stuff. Attack it! Attack it!
You're gonna have so much fun.
Here at the Cattery, our adoption counselors are well educated and experienced in helping you find the ideal kitty for your home. We understand that each cat has a unique personality, and it is crucial to find a cat whose temperament and needs align with yours.
Be nice. I just want to pet you. No, be nice. Oh my god, you're so spicy.
The first step in finding your perfect match is to consider your lifestyle and preferences. Are you looking for an active and social cat, or a more independent and laid-back companion? Do you have other pets or small children at home? These factors will help us guide you towards the right cat for you. Our adoption counselors are here to help answer any and all questions you may have.
Good job.
Whether you're a first-time cat parent or a seasoned pro, we love providing guidance and support. Don't hesitate to ask us about breed characteristics, grooming needs, or specific concerns you may have. When visiting the shelter, take your time to observe the cats. Spend some time interacting with them to get a sense of their personality. Some cats may be outgoing immediately and seek attention, while others may be more reserved and need more time to warm up. Our adoption counselors help facilitate these interactions and provide insights in each cat's behavior. Once you've found a cat that captures your heart, our adoption counselors will guide you through the necessary paperwork, will provide you with all the information you need, and any additional requirements. We want to ensure a smooth transition for both you and your furry friend. Remember, adopting a cat is a lifelong commitment. Cats can live for many years, so it's crucial to be prepared for the responsibilities that come with cat ownership. Our adoption counselors can provide guidance and proper care, nutrition, and create a stimulating environment to keep your cat happy and healthy throughout their life.
There you go.
Now you know how to get them in there.
Yes, give him some catnip.
Sweeters. Just a sprinkles.
You're already spoiled, sir.
Oh, should we say goodbye or say it?
Bye, buddy. She said, I'm sniffing the snip, man.
Yeah, got the good stuff.
Yeah.
Thank you all so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a great weekend. Thank you. Bye.
I just booped the camera. That was cute. Well, that's it for today's video on finding the perfect match for you. Remember, our adoption counselors are here to help you every step of the way. We are passionate about finding loving forever homes for our cats and providing ongoing support to our adopters. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you find your perfect match. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and comment. Hi, Gwenny.